Computer. All right. So good morning, Amber. Thank you for joining us today and being a part of our virtual job fair for Eastland-Fairfield Career and Technical School students. I'm Christine Boucher. I'm the Business Partnership Coordinator, and I'm glad to have you participating in this event with us. So can you go ahead and tell us a little bit about yourself and the company?
Yep. My name is Amber Schneider. I am the Talent Development Specialist at THK Manufacturing of America, and we are located in Hebron, Ohio, which is about 10 minutes south of Newark in Licking County. We're a Japanese-based company. We have this American plant and American sales division in Chicago, and we actually manufacture linear motion guides and linear actuator components. And then we also make automobile parts as well in the same facility.
Okay, great. So what positions and skills are you looking for currently, either right now or into the near future?
So we have a variety of jobs, which makes it very interesting and really good for career paths. But we mainly hire for machine operation, which could be anything from surface grinders to CNC machines or robotics, product assembly, either by hand or using robotics, and troubleshooting technician type of roles. We also have high needs and multi-craft maintenance and industrial electric. And then we also hire for electrical, mechanical, and manufacturing systems engineering.
Great.
We do sometimes hire in other roles such as scheduling, accounting, communications, and human resources. So we are always looking for people with those skills because our needs and growth changes very often. So we take applications all the time.
Okay, so it sounds like for the programs, our programs that might be related to what you're looking for, pre-engineering and that CNC component are electrical.
Definitely.
Correct. Welding at all? Is there some welding?
Our welding is mainly done by robotics, but our multi-craft maintenance technicians, they do some of the other welding that we may need done on machinery.
Okay, great. And the multi-craft is something that we are, as you know from other conversations, that we're exploring, expanding those opportunities, those training opportunities. So I appreciate you adding that in. So I know you work with CTEC closely, and we're hoping to engage Eastland-Fairfield as well with THK. What does a student from the Career Center make? Why does a student from the Career Center make a good connection for you?
The biggest thing we've noticed is the hands-on skills that the students at the Career Center learn. It's really important here that education and that hands-on part of their education correlates into our professions here, which are really hands-on professions, and they already have a taste of really what the job entails by going to the career centers.
Okay. Do you at all, for our juniors going into their senior year, is there opportunities for them there, or is it an after graduation and 18 and above?
It just depends on the job role, but we do internships for a lot of students that are still in like a CTEC high school program or an adult education program. And then we also do internships for those that are in college programs.
Okay. So why should someone consider working for THK?
It's a fun place to work. It's very exciting. There's a lot of variety. There's so many opportunities, whether you want to stay in the same role or learn new things. You can do both, and it's stable. It's a place where a lot of people come to work for many, many years. But if you don't want to work somewhere for a long amount of time, you still have a lot of ability to learn and grow. The benefits are competitive. We're always trying to do our best to make the employees successful and happy, whether it's pay or benefits. We're always looking at ways to improve that as well.
So are there opportunities for additional education through THK and advancement in different roles and areas?
Yes, definitely. We've partnered with some of the tech cred programs and those adult education programs as well to send people through schooling and get them new certifications.
Great, okay. So if somebody is listening to this video and wants to connect with THK to find out more about the opportunities that they might have, what's the next step that they should take?
Right now, we're not doing many open house opportunities, but sometimes we do. And we post those on our Facebook page if we're going to conduct one of those. But we are still interviewing for
Okay,
some positions. So all of our job postings are listed on Indeed and the THK website. But if someone wants to reach out to me directly, they can via phone, email, or even on LinkedIn.
okay. So we will post your information along with this video on our virtual job fair so that they will have access to that information. But is there anything else that you want to add before we wrap up this interview?
I just look forward to seeing some students come from the Career Center.
Okay, perfect. Well, thank you. And I appreciate your time with us today. And hopefully we'll hear good news back from you about those that have reached out to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.